Good morning. Ew. Disgusting. That would be a good thumbnail. Good morning. Right now I'm getting ready to go to the Hamptons with my parents. Anyways. So I just finished getting ready and I think I actually look decent today. Right now I'm about to go get ready to leave. Let's go.
Late night city life, it always gets so late. I'm getting tired of all this talking. Maybe we should go back to your place on mine tonight. Give me reasons.
Hey, so we are leaving like now. I went into the water like a while ago and it's so cold. My lips look so chapped.
I've been thinking about good times, so tell me all your worst lies. I'll believe them if I try. For the sake of time, just give me the eye. I've been thinking
I said don't blow my high, I'm on that carpet ride. I've been swerving, I'm a servant to my magic side. I was in a magic city, going 50-50. I bet it all up on that red and they got real shifty. Pity, pity, it's a petty crime. You see how people change their vibe when it's green up on their mind. Kevin Federline, final, I'm searching for them high notes. I'm slipping in my slippers, playing samples off this vinyl, getting sexual with my freshness. This is imperfection, with a touch of perfect. No, I murked it at the merchants and I purchased what my curses in between these verses. How I really feel.
So tell me all your words. I believe them if I try. For the sake of time, just give me the eye. I've been thinking about good times. So tell me all your words.
Good night. Good night. It is so late right now. It is literally 9:56. Oh. Anyways, right now I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna stay up late tonight. I did my skincare, had my shower and everything, so there's nothing else left for me to do, but remember, a video is not aesthetic without a candle. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish watching my Blackish. Best show ever. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow my socials. And that's it for this video. Bye guys.